Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn English grammar interjection. What do you mean by interjection? An interjection is a word expressing a sudden feeling of the mind. While speaking, we sometimes interject words that startles the hearer. These words come right from the heart of the speaker and express sudden feelings of the mind. They may express joy, grief, surprise, approval, attention, or hatred, etc. Look at these words: ouch, wow, hooray, alas. These words are used by us to express our feelings. We use them when we are happy or sad, excited or frightened, surprised or angry. These small words and short sentences that express strong emotions are called interjections. And remember, children, we generally use an exclamation mark after an interjection. Now, look at these following sentences and let's see interjections in these sentences, what type of feelings they express. First one, ouch, you are hurting me. So, ouch means it's an emotion of sudden pain. Next one, watch out, there is a car behind you. It is used to draw someone's attention. Oh, I don't believe it. It's an emotion of surprise. Bravo, you played so well. It's an emotion of praise. Wow, we won the match. It's an emotion of surprise. How sweet, what a cute kitten. It is used to express admiration. Hooray, we are off on a class picnic. It's an emotion of joy and happiness. Sit down. It's a phrase, it is used for giving command. Let's find out interjection used to express each of these feelings. To show immediate joy and happiness. Hooray! Hooray, we won the match. To show sudden wonder or surprise. Wow, what a beautiful car. For praising someone. Bravo! Bravo, your performance was outstanding. When something is painful. Ouch! Ouch, it hurts. When you make a mistake. Oops! Oops, I spilled milk all over the table. To express relief. Phew! Phew, the rain stopped finally. To draw someone's attention. Behold. Behold, the scenery is so beautiful. So remember, children, all these words express sudden feelings of the mind. They are called interjections. In the next exercise, we learn to use interjections to fill in the blanks. Hooray, India won the World Cup. It expressed the joy and happiness. How sad, his dog died last night. It's an emotion of sorrow. Really, it is difficult to believe that it is true. So it's an emotion of surprise. Haha, that's really funny. It's an expression of laughter. At last, the work has been completed. It's an emotion of relief. Alas, I wish I had worked hard. It's an expression of sorrow. Well done, you were excellent. It's an expression of praising someone. Bravo, you saved a child. Again, it's an expression of praising. Wow, that was a mighty six. So it's an expression of wonder or surprise. Hush, the baby is sleeping. So it is used to draw someone's attention. So remember, children, all these words express sudden feelings of the mind. They are called interjections. We use exclamation mark after an interjection. So all of you read this chapter and do your exercises carefully. Thank you.